Having some soft calls to action. That is perfect, because we don't always need to hard pitch everyone, because I believe you should build your LinkedIn profile to sell you. That is more powerful. So you can be almost super relatable, be the person and share the stories and share your journey and not have to constantly convert people. All you have to do sometimes is get converting people to look at your profile. Say, if you want to get in touch, go check out my profile. That's such a soft call to action, because it doesn't even move somebody to your website. It doesn't create a funnel that is so far away and they won't do it. The amount of people, if you just tell them after at the end of your post to point people back to your either your LinkedIn company business page or your personal profile, they're staying on the platform. It's just like saying, link is in my bio, link is in my profile. Do that instead of the link is in the comments. Don't do that. It doesn't move anybody. Make them go get the thing in your profile.